Welcome. In front of me I have the brand new Samsung Galaxy M23, and today I will show you how you can apply a tempered glass to this phone. Now I have mine right over here. I have some random cheap brand, it doesn't really matter. Inside you will find obviously your tempered glass, so there is mine. And in certain cases the tempered glass will have two different layers that you need to peel off, so you have the 1 and 2. Usually you want to start off with the 1, obviously. This will be always once you peel off the flexible part, you will be holding the tempered glass with the sticky side, which you want to put then onto the display like so. And then the second one is just a protective additional layer. Once you put it on, you can peel it off. It's just for like scratch prevention and stuff like that. For me, I only have 1 layer, as you can see, so it's the only thing I will be peeling off. Now additionally, in basically every case you get a wet wipes and dry wipes inside. So that's what I get right here. You can use those if you want to, though once I open them up you can kind of see that the size of them is absolutely ridiculous. So there we go. And sometimes the wet wipe, actually this is the dry wipe now. Let's see. Is it wet? Oh yes, it is. But sometimes the wet wipe is actually dry, so you get basically no benefit from this. And because they are so small, this one is folded though, so let me unfold it. There we go. So because they are so small, it's not very good to use, and besides it also leaves like smudges on it. So what I recommend using is just a microfiber cloth. That's what I'll be using for this. If you don't have one, then I guess you can use those wet and dry wipes. But for everybody else who has it, just use that instead. It's gonna make your job much easier. And hopefully you can kind of see it, like this liquid just creates smudges, which normally you wouldn't have without it. So yeah. Okay, there we go. There's the screen completely cleaned off. Now you want to keep the cloth ready on the side right here, because once we peel off this little protective film from here, you want to give the screen a couple more passes, just a gentle ones, to remove any kind of dust that might have settled on your screen. So you might want to pay attention to that. If nothing has settled, then you can just apply it. And additionally, before I actually begin applying it, I will give you just a quick rundown on how I do it. So once I peel this off, I'm just going to place single edge. So I'm going to start from the top just so I can align it correctly with the camera. And once it's aligned correctly, I'm just going to try to find it so it's right in the middle and drop it. So in this case that would be like this. I also pinch the edges of the phone just so this gives me, so the actual tempered glass kind of fits in here evenly. I'm not going to try to like hold the tempered glass and put it like this, just because I don't know if it's centered correctly. When I hold the actual bezels of the phone, the tempered glass needs to be literally in the middle. There is like no actual like other way it can. Additionally, if you have some kind of case for the phone, you can keep it on. The bumpers of the case usually kind of go around over the edges, so it will create a little bumper for the tempered glass to drop into. So you won't be able to drop it, for instance, like crookedly, because the actual case will prevent it from touching the display. So you can use that additionally to help you guide the tempered glass. Anyway, let's just peel that off. I give those couple passes now. And let's apply it. So again, finding the middle right here and then dropping it. And it's now completely starting to apply itself. Now you can see there is a huge air bubble in the middle. That's completely fine. I can just push it out. Oops, let's try it again. That's actually interesting. It doesn't want to push out, it comes back. There we go. So you can see right now it's completely covered. So here we go. That's how you can apply your tempered glass to your device. And If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.